All right, so children, the time now is 7:30. I regretted I should have come in a little bit earlier. I'm so sorry, I was stuck in the toilet. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I was stuck in the toilet just now. Yeah, so I didn't I was a bit late for the opening of the class. I'm so sorry about that. All right, I should have come in a little bit earlier, all right, to chit chat with you all. I feel so bad now. All right, good. For those who got back your results, you can actually drop me a message through the chat to tell me how much you get for your prelims. All right, or you can just drop me a WhatsApp lah. All right, so if you need some additional last minute help, right, you can just WhatsApp me. You all know my number, right? You all know that I'm always standing by available to help you as best as possible. One. Okay, so today also I got some of my secondary one student getting back their result. So in Sec 1, right, if you score 75% and above, it's considered a A1 already. All right, so most of them got a A1. All right, so I'm very happy about for them also. All right, so in this class also for the P6, right, some of you are getting an AL1. Good job, good job. Some of you are getting close AL3. All right, getting close already. You're almost there. Just stretch out. All right, you'll be able to reach your AL2 already. All right, so don't worry, still got chance to push. All right, so don't panic, don't panic. And those who haven't taken your prelims, right, the prelims, right, must take it seriously. All right, please try to take it seriously and have the experience, have the experience of taking it like a PSLE paper like that, right? Because a lot of cases, right, is you are very good. A lot of cases is you are fully prepared, but because sometimes it's the atmosphere, everybody is so serious, they're so quiet in the hall. All right, it becomes very tense up. So the environment also plays a part. So you need to get into that kind of mood, right? Get into that kind of mood also. All right, so that you can know how to manage this type of feeling. All right, I know it's not easy. It's a big and scary paper. All right, but you just have to try to um you just have to try to adapt to it lah. All right, we are all human beings. We have to try to adapt to the different environments lah. Or you'll learn that in science also. Adaptation, behavioral, and structural. Okay, Mr. Byrne, why some of the question asked very weird? I don't know lah. Curious. Sometimes it's like that lah. Teachers got trying to be creative, but because they try to be creative, right? Their questions is a little bit weird lah. So it's very common. All right. So just answer the question lah. All right. Don't think so much. Just answer the question. All right. All right. So children, so now right we have to go back to our previous paper. All right. There's two questions from the previous paper two, question 9 and 10 that we haven't do yet. All right. So for those who haven't do finish your prelims, right, just take it as a revision. For those who are having your prelims tomorrow as science and all this, right? Thank you for joining us. All right, let's try to keep this lesson light so that you are not so pressurized over, tomorrow's paper and all this. If you need to leave earlier, you can. All right, go and do some revision for your science. By all means, come on, you can do it. All right, this recording is being recorded anyway. All right, so you need to prioritize what is important to you, children. I'm not chasing you away. I'm not chasing you away. I'm just saying that you, as a P6, 12 years old child, you need to prioritize what is more important. All right. So imagine if tomorrow you are doing science, you're having a science prelim, and now you are stressing over math. Something wrong, right? All right. So please, children, learn to prioritize a little bit. All right. This recording is being recorded. You are welcome to stay. I would love to see you down here. All right. But sometimes if your heart is not here, then there's no point also. Why? You understand or not? All right. Come, let's go into the last week's lesson, question 9 and 10, and let's try to complete this week's lesson, question 11 to 17. All right, let's go. Sorry, getting a bit excited. So last week, question number 9, this is a 4-mark question. The bar graph below shows the number of paper cups collected by two classes, 6A and 6B, for the week of Monday to Friday. The bar for the number of cups collected by 6B on Friday has not been drawn. Hiya, why the teacher like that? Lazy, huh? Never draw the information. The number of cups collected by 6B on Friday was 1/5 the number of paper cups collected by the class for the entire week. So children, you must understand the meaning of this 1/5 down here. The 1 actually represents the Friday, and the 5 actually represents the what? The total. Can you understand or not? By now, you should be able to understand the fraction, right? The 1 represents the Friday, the 5 represents the total. And the total includes what? So if you want to write out the ratio, right? Friday is to what? Total, right? Friday is to total is actually 1 is to 5. Please remember that the total include the Friday. All right, this total down here include the Friday. All right. So what is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? Can you see not? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is actually 5 units. This one I call it units, can? Minus the 1 unit Friday's unit equal to 4 units. Can you see or not? That's the reason why you have to understand the fraction, the 1/5. What does the 1/5 stand for? The 5 is the total. And the total consists of the Friday. Do you understand? So now you can have all this information. Look at the intervals. Are they evenly cut out? Yes, they are. So down here is actually Monday is a 55. Tuesday is a 30. Wednesday is a 30. Thursday is a, you see, now here is evenly cut out, 65. All right. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, my birthday. No, I'm just kidding. All right. So when you add up all this number, press your calculator, 55 plus 30 plus 30 plus 65. Your answer is 180. So your 180 represents the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? And it so happened that down here, I found out that 4 units actually represents Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and my birthday. All right. So you can say that 4 unit equal to 180, and 1 unit, always find the 1 will be equal to 180 divided by 4. Children, paper 2, press calculator. Don't be shy. It's 45. Paper cups. Right, paper cups. And guess what? They are asking for Friday, right? Friday got what? How many paper cups did 6B collect on Friday? Friday is the 1 unit, what? And 1 unit is 45, what? So answer is 45 lah. Sure, 2 marks. Oh, thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Can you see or not, children? So again, not every question is difficult one. All right, sometimes the 4 marks and the 5 marks are the easier question. Do you know that? It's like angles. They give you a 2 mark and 3 marks. Those are actually the easier question to score. Can you see or not? Or maybe the area and perimeter, 2 mark and 2 mark, 4 marks. That's the easiest to score. Sometimes, right, the naughty question is the 3 marks one. All right, sometimes, but never mind. Wow, lucky. 3 marks, 100 minus 3, 97 is still a AL1. Wow, lucky. So can you see not? The paper is fair. The paper is fair. So don't worry, do your best. All right. Oh, so that's in the angle question is difficult. And you found every other angles. Oh my goodness. All right, that's one strategy. All right, but there's no choice. Sometimes no choice. All right. Oh, I just talked to one of my students today. All right, she was doing what number pattern. Wow, she used a lot of time doing the number pattern. My goodness. All right. So again, right, number pattern is our question, right? Sometimes if you cannot see the pattern, children, skip the question. All right, it's wasting a lot of time one. You can spend about 15 minutes down there. And 15 minutes, you keep on listing. She was telling me that her question was like that. On top is like a 1. Then followed by 3 boxes down here. 2, 3, 4. Then after that, another one down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is line 1, line 2, line 3. The question asked her to find line 19, you know. Oh my goodness. And you know what she did? She told me? You know what she did? She told me that she went to list out until line 19. Oh! Seriously? All right. Oh my goodness. This is our question. Make sure that you have enough time. Then you go and list out. If not, forget it. All right. You also do that, right, Raha? Yeah, but I understand. I will also do that because I want the marks, but you have to be smart. You have to prioritize. All right. You have to control your emotion a bit. Prioritize. If you are only left with this question and the rest of the question you get full marks, okay? I go and list out for you. I go and write nicely for you. I go and drop for you. But you make sure that your other questions, you secure the marks first. Understand or not? All right. Crazy question, this one. Number patterns. All right. So going through the paper, right, it's not just doing the paper. All right. Your other skills have to come into place. Your emotion. All right. Your ability to choose question must come into play. All right. Okay, come. All right, it's just like playing Pokemon lah. You don't just say every time attack, attack, pick, pick. No, of course not lah. You have to look at the Pokemon that's attacking you, right? Then you have to change the Pokemon accordingly, right? You every time slam Pikachu, Pikachu will be tired, man. Sorry. Sorry, talk about sorry, wrong information here. Sorry, Okay, come. Find the difference in the total number of paper cups collected by the the differences in the total number of paper cups collected by the two classes. Oh my goodness, 2 marks. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Down here, 50. Down here, 30. Down here, 30. Down here, 70. Down here, 60. Don't mess it up. Class 6A. 50 plus 30 plus 30 plus 70 plus 60. Don't mess it up. Press your calculator. 50 plus 30 plus 30 plus 70 plus 60. 240. All right, children, please. Such easy question. Please don't mess it up. 6B there? 6B, you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 180, right? Plus the Friday, 45. 180 plus 45, press your calculator, 225. Question is looking for the differences, right? All right, this type of question you can do and you can laugh at the same time. You know, like that. But don't do it out loud. Your teacher might think you crazy, or your classmate might think you're crazy. But the 15 down here is correct answer. And this 4 marks, is it yours? Yes, it's yours. Take it. Take it. All right. Discount question, finding discount, I carelessly plus. Yeah, discount is -1. Discount is minus. Yeah, poor thing, cinnamon roll. All right, you could have get even higher score, right? Yeah. So now you know it, right? You feel bad, right? It's the carelessness disease, right? Which is very painful, one. You know that, not children? You know how to do, but because you anyhow you carelessly press the calculator, or you write wrongly, or you copy error. Wow, this type of feeling, it hurts, one, really. This one of feeling, it hurts a lot. And such things, right, will be a difference between the AL1 and AL2. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Celestine, lost so many marks due to carelessness. Yeah. So learn from the mistake, children. Learn from your mistake. Chill, man. During your PSLE, don't rush. Make sure you spend time on the right question. That's what I'm trying to say down here, children. Okay? Down here, Jackson drew a pie chart to represent the number of paper cups collected over the weeks by one of the class, 6A or 6B. However, he had forgotten to label. Wow, Jason, why like that? All right, hey, I see a 90 degrees down here. I see a 90 degrees down here. So for example, if it's 6B, right? 6B got how many cups? 6B just now got 225, right? All right, can I find what is 90 degrees or not? 90 degrees means 1/4, right? All right, 6B is 225. Can I just find 90 degrees out of 360 of 225, which is 1/4 of 225 lah? Cannot. Oh yeah? 56.25. Can you have 56.25 cups? Cannot. You cannot have that. Cannot. All right. So down here, there is a 90 degrees. So I'm going to use it to assist me. So for 6A, right, can you see not? 6A, right, I can find 90 degrees, which is 90 over 360, which is 1/4 lah, times 6A. What's the total for 6A? 240 times 240. All right, which is equal to 1/4 times 240. 60. 60 paper cups. Can. So these 60 paper cups, right, can actually represent the Friday law, my favorite day. All right, so class A got 60, right? So this one is actually class 6A law. Oh yeah, Raha, yeah, I feel bad also. Right, I see that you all have a lot of careless mistake here. I feel bad. I feel bad. I cannot do anything. I cannot teach you any technique or concept. To solve the question, I can. Let's attack the question. But carelessness, very sayang. You know what's the meaning of sayang or not? All right, sayang means very wasted. Very, very sad lah. Yeah. All right. So how to not be sad? Do properly lah. Be less careless lah. All right. And learn to slow down. Breathe in and slow down. All right. I want to say something in the center lah, but it sounds very bad. Sorry. Slow down. Understand or not? Really, you have to learn to slow